So now, y'all, I am back with the oil. I am back with the oil and stuff. I am going to let the pot heat up. I still cut up these onions. So I'm preparing all the inside meats for the Jamaican beef patty that I'm making. I'm making Jamaican beef patty, I'm making curry chicken patty, and I'm making curry shrimp. I add potato in them kind of to give them the nice taste. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of like blend them out so it's more of a paste in there than the full meat in there. So as I said before, what I'm gonna do is take a spoon and add minced garlic, because I don't want the juice in it per se. I just want the garlic. And then I'll also do the same thing with the green seasoning. You take the spoon, and I don't want the juices, I just want the seasonings. And basically, we're gonna fry it down in the pot. Of course. I might break this up between the chicken and the beef, but we'll see just now once I put it in the pot. Alright, give it a nice mix. Right, so now what I'm gonna do, I have the hot sauce. Made this from scratch. It's hot sauce. Well, all peppers now, just blend it up together.